Hello everyone, Bill Bacardi. Hopefully everybody's well. Just got home. It's freezing outside. There's the weather report, Suncoast Picker. We're going to pick up a multi-lock tonight, guys. I have these three that I pinned up for steel pinnings. I don't remember what's in them. This one was the loose one, so I guess this is going to be the one we pick, guys. And I'm not picking this to do... I'm not going to enter Bobby Key's giveaway because I donated stuff for it, but I'm just going to pick the multi-lock just because. Where is this one? No, that's not the one I want. Yeah, that's the one I'm looking for. Okay, let's get in here and see what we can do, guys. This may be a little bit of a long video. Now, 1, 2... I think that's 4. I can't get under him. I got a little click on 4, I believe that was. Yeah. Nothing seems to want to sit in here. Oh, my pick is stuck. Damn it. I hate it when I do that. I need something to stick underneath that pin because I wanted a little hole on the side, see? Okay. Okay. It's probably going to be a long, boring pick here, guys. Okay. We're going to reset that because I definitely just overset a pin. I just made a little tension wrench that I use in these all the time now because I hate those long tension wrenches that come with the Chinese sets. Okay, just touched one and it gave me a little bit of a turn on that cord that time. It didn't do that before. Okay. Not on 2. 3, I can't get under. That's weird. Let me, where's my flat flag? Here. Okay, I got a little click on 3 there. Got a nice click on 4. Come back down the pin stack. Okay, 1 is definitely doing something here because... Okay, 1 just gave me a really nice false set, guys. Oh, look at how deep that just went. Wow. Okay, nothing on 2. 3, that's 4. I can't get under 4 or 5. I don't know if that's 4 or 5, one or the other. I can't get under him. It's got to be 5. I just can't move him at all. He must be a really tall pin because he seems to be locked up already. You know what? Because I can't get under him, I'm just going to take this regular pick that Ricky Locks made me. Slide back there. See if I can get anything to push up here, guys. Okay, something's happening on 2, I believe, that. It might be 3. Let's see, I can get under 3. I'm just kind of pushing the inner pins up right now. I just went a little deeper. I think that was 3 I touched. And like I said, I'm not going to enter this for Bobby Key's drawing because I donated stuff, and I'd rather see somebody else win. You know, it's an awesome giveaway that he's doing for his 500 video. I don't know if I'm overset on something here, guys, but I'm deep, deep, deep in a false set. 1-0. 2, I just pushed them up and it took a little bit of my false set away. That's kind of weird. Okay, but now I can get under everything in the box, see? So everything is definitely loose. I'm going to let that draw. There it is. I think that was 2 just dropped again. Yeah, because I can't get under them again. Let me try that pick again. See, sometimes when you can't get the flag under there, guys, it helps a little bit if you got something flat like this and you can slide under the pin. Especially if they're all the way down on the floor like this one is right here. Okay, just let 2 drop again. And it gave me that false setback, that deep one that I had. I think it's the inner pin on number 2 though, guys. Let me see if I can get something deeper in there, guys. I'm sorry, like I said, for the long video, guys. That's the wrong way. That's going to be the right way, but I don't think that's going to go under. That's really tall. Okay, he's definitely set now, I think. Nothing on 1. 2 is still really hard to get under. Everything else feels set in here, guys. That's why I'm thinking it's just an inner pin holding me up, because I'm so deep. Oh, I just touched that 2, and it went a little bit deeper even than it was, guys. Huh. Very weird feeling here on this one. Okay, I just let tension completely off of it, and it's still in that false set. Oh, wow. The pick almost stabbed me. Okay, so I just touched 1. It went a little bit deeper again. See, when I touch 2, though, it loses that little bit of a false set. I don't know if he's a mushroom pin, maybe? Like I said, I don't want to make a 20-minute video here, guys. I can't upload those. Come on. Everything feels set to me in here. Okay, 1-0. 2, it gave me a little bit of counter just now. That was weird. Okay. Got a nice click that time. I truly think it's the inner pin on 2 holding me up, guys. I really, really think... Ah! My pick got stuck again in there. Yeah, because see, when I try and set them, I lose that little bit of false set. I mean, it's a very, very tiny, tiny amount that I lose and regain. Like, it just came back. But now to a solid again. I don't know if he's truly set or not, see? I'm just using the back of the pick here, guys. See, now I push him up again. It's definitely something on 2 that's holding me up, because everything else is set in this lock, guys, for sure. I need something. I don't know if it's necessarily got to be tall or short here. I'm going to try and get under him with this on this side. Oh, okay. My pick flipped around, but I got a really, really deep, deep, deep false set. There, guys. And I can't get up from under him now. Shit. Okay, I flipped around. I'm on the other side. Whew, man, that is deep, 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 guys. I don't know if you can see how deep that is. I don't want to lose my tension wrench. I'm going to reset it. Okay. I'm going to go back in with this flat one because he's so hard to get under that pin. That inner pin is like right on the ground there. That's why I'm thinking that's the pin that... Very weird feelings in this lock. Okay, I know everything else is set here, guys. Look at a nice click on 5 that was. Maybe he wasn't set all the way. But I still feel like something in 2 is holding me. I really don't feel like it's any other pin in this lock that's doing it. Okay, there's the inner on 1. All set. That's perfect. Okay. Let's try 2 again. Let's try pushing 2 up. Nothing on T there. God, I can't believe how deep that false set is in this locking opening. I don't know where else to go with it right now, guys. And I'm still having problems getting under that number 2 pin. 1, perfect. No, nothing on 1. I'm just going to tickle them pins a little bit and see if something just may be overset in there. I don't think so. Okay, I just lost some of my false set there. Okay, that was definitely pin 3 there, guys. And I can't get under 2 again. Something very weird happening with number 2 pin. Whew, my hand's getting tired, guys. Okay. There, you can see how deep that false set is, guys. I gotta give my hands a break 1 second, guys. I'm sorry. But it's just gonna stay in that false set there. So I don't think anything is really overset. I think it's more... There's 1 inner holding me right now. And I truly believe that it's number 2. That's the only pin that's not springy in this lock, guys. Everything else is springy. 3. This video is going to be 20 minutes long. It'll be a half-hour video when I'm done with this. I know it. Huh. I'm kind of lost right now, guys. Oh, we're open there. Oof, Jesus. That was on 2, just like I said, guys. Wow, how far are we in? 13 minutes. Holy cow. Well, it's definitely going to be a longer video, so I'll have to upload it, let my nephew get it, and then he can flip it back over because it's going to upload upside down, obviously. And we do have a key, we can lock it up, but we'll try not to. You know what, we are, because I don't want to... Oh, which way am I going here? This way. Okay. I don't want to spin it around and lose all the pins in it, guys. But yeah, that's a tough lock. Pretty tough little lock, guys. Something in that number 2. I got to see what's going on in there. That number 2 pin is tough, man. Okay. Let me get a multi-lock plug follower. Okay. Beautiful. Just like that. See, multi-lock's a little wider than a normal plug follower, guys. I lost a pin there, number 1. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. Video's already long enough, so don't make a difference now, guys. Okay, as you can see, everything's in and working there, guys. Okay, so, oh, wow, and everything had to be picked. Everything had to be pushed up in that lock, guys. Yeah, and there was I knew there was a mushroom spool in the back of that lock. I could feel it. Okay. And let's see what's up top here, guys. I'll bring us down to the pinning tray and show you everything that's in here once we get everything apart. Oop. That was a tough pick, guys. I'm telling you. Oof. That number 2 pin, like I said, I don't know what's going on with it. Okay, we got serrated driver in 1. Spool in 2. There was what it was. That's what was holding me up, guys. I guarantee you. The center pin on that number 2. Number 3. Okay, that's a mushroom spool. Wow. Okay, I want to go from the other side, but that spring is sticking up a long way in that lock. I don't want to do that. Why is that spring sticking out so far? Let's just pull him out of there. Oh, because he's the, I know why. See, on these longer pins, uh-oh, I just lost one. I get it, there it is. On the longer pins, you use the shorter springs, guys. And on the shorter pins, you use the longer springs. Okay, another mushroom driver. Wow, that was a tough one, guys. I can't get over how tough that one was. Okay, and last but not least, there's our standard pin. Yep. Okay, I'll bring us down to the pinning tray, guys, and show you what we have going on here. Okay, so 17 minutes. That's the longest video I've done in a long, long time. Okay, so at number 1, we have a pretty tall key pin with a serrated driver upstairs. Number 2, pin and pin with a long spool up top of him. Another pin and pin, the key pin here. Then this mushroom short driver up above him. This is a standard, but he's spring-loaded too, just like, you know, it's a pin and pin. And then in 5, we had this mushroom key pin with a mushroom top pin. That was a tough little lock, guys. So anyway, everybody, thanks for watching. Sorry the video is so long. I'm going to have to upload this, send it to my nephew. He's got to flip it over, because if I upload it right now, it's just going to be upside down. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going to put this lock back together. Happy picking, everyone. Have a great evening. Thank yous.